Mastering IELTS Writing, Task 2, Achieve Band 7 Plus in 5 hours. Before we start, please subscribe and activate the notification bell. Hi dear students, welcome to Mastering IELTS Writing Task 2, where you will learn how to write an essay for Task 2 of the IELTS Writing exam, which needs Band 7 requirement and above. I will be guiding you through this course. This course has been designed for students who are aiming to achieve a Band 7 and above, but also it is going to be extremely useful for those who are aiming to achieve a 6.5. By the end of this course you will be able to create coherent and cohesive essays with fully developed and relevant paragraphs. You will be able to use a range of vocabulary fluently, flexibly and with precision, and you will be able to create a variety of grammatical constructions with accuracy. The course has been divided into 7 sections that the bulk of the course is made up of 4 sections, each relating to a different band descriptor category: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource and grammatical range and accuracy. I have designed the course in this way because I believe it best helps students to appreciate what the examiners are looking for and therefore gives them the best preparation in terms of understanding what they need to do to achieve their target scores. You do not need to know about the IELTS exam before you begin this course, as that is covered in Section 1. We will give you this course for free in order to help you progress in IELTS writing preparation. Click the link in the description to download the full course. Here is how to download the course. 1. Click the link in the description below. 2. Click on Get this free course now. 3. Complete any offer to prove that you are not a robot. You will be automatically redirected to the download page when you complete the offer. 4. You download the full course for free. What you will learn in this course: approach any topic or question type in IELTS Writing Task 2. Write high-quality introductions and conclusions quickly and efficiently. Write in a coherent and cohesive way, and link ideas with a sense of clear, logical progression. Use grammatical constructions which will improve your score in grammatical range and accuracy. Think like an IELTS examiner, and apply this thinking in the writing test. Structure your essay according to Band 7 Plus requirements. Manage IELTS Task 2 time constraints calmly and effectively. Build a high-scoring body paragraph with well-developed ideas and arguments. Use a vast array of new vocabulary, both common and academic, to boost your lexical resource. Apply my secrets of success, which have helped many students jump from Band 6 to Band 7.5. Feel confident and self-assured heading into your IELTS exam, and when writing essays in the future for work or university. Click the link in the description below to download the full masterclass for free. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to tell us in the comments. Should you take this course? Have you taken the IELTS writing exam in the past and not received the Band 7 or above you needed? Are you taking the IELTS writing exam for the first time and want to have the best essay writing preparation available? Do you want to be taught by an instructor who teaches IELTS writing every day, and has already helped thousands of students to improve their English and realize their IELTS goals, from Band 6 to Band 8 and beyond? If you answered yes to any of the questions above, then this course is for you. Do not waste time and money on exam after exam after exam. Take this course to improve your English, learn the tips, tools, and techniques to get the band score you need, and achieve IELTS writing success now. How will this course help me? This course will teach you how to write what the IELTS examiners want to read in IELTS Writing Task 2. It is aimed at students who are trying to achieve Band 7, but will also be extremely valuable for any students aiming for Band 6 or Band 8. Even Band 9 students will learn something new here. You might think that the IELTS examiners only care about a wide range of vocabulary, correct spelling, and accurate grammar. This is wrong. These are all important, but there is so much more you can do to boost your score. Mastering IELTS Writing, Task 2 tells you exactly what you need to know to succeed in this English language exam. During this course, you will understand how the IELTS exam, and the writing test, in particular, is structured and how it should be approached. Learn how to write an answer to any writing Task 2 question after learning how to recognize different question types. Learn how to manage your time wisely, how to plan your essay effectively, and how to structure your writing appropriately. Learn how to create flow in your essays so that you can begin to write like a native. Find out how to increase your range of vocabulary quickly and effectively. Learn many of the secrets of success that will help you to get the best score possible. Learn an effective 3-step formula for writing introductions and conclusions, so more time can be spent on the body of the essay. Begin to feel confident, assured, and increasingly prepared for the writing test in your next IELTS exam. What do we use to teach our course? There are 3 key ingredients in the Mastering IELTS Writing Task 2 course. 1. Lessons. The lessons in this course work. I know this because of the high scores of my past students. The lessons are clear, direct, and focused entirely on improving the quality of your writing skills. We will waste no time. 2. Materials. The materials I have included in this course are the materials that have helped my past students to score Band 7 and above in the IELTS exam. These high-quality materials include helpful, clear descriptions of IELTS techniques, model answers to IELTS writing questions, and common mistakes to avoid. Everything you see in this course is a collection of all the techniques I have learned over the years with my many IELTS students. 3. Teacher. My name is Matt, and I run a website called The IELTS Teacher. I am a British native with a bachelor's degree in English and have been helping students to learn English since 2008. In 2013, I launched The IELTS Teacher. I created this website because I wanted to help students to pass their IELTS exams with lessons via Skype and screen sharing, as well as writing corrections. I have already taught thousands of one-to-one IELTS lessons, and helped hundreds of students towards their target scores. So what are you waiting for? Download the course today and let's get you started on the road to IELTS success. Download link is in the description below. Who is this course for? Students who want to learn how to get a high score, Band 7+, in Task 2 of the IELTS writing test. This course is appropriate for students of both the academic module and the general training module. Although this course is aimed at those who need a Band 7 and above in Task 2, it will also help those trying to get a 6 or 6.5. Click the link in the description below to download the full course. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next video.